Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to process files one by one. If you have been using our software for a while, you probably worked with a loop action. Check file action can be used as an alternative to the loop action. Before I start, can I ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel? If this video is confusing for you, or you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us, and we will do our best to help. You will find the link in the description. Okay, so here we have a check file action. All it does is checks for the file in the directory, and if it finds the file, it will assign the first found file name to this variable. This is very important, because this allows us to use this variable in the following actions. For example, we can move file from one directory to another, one by one. Let's run it. It's moved all the files. Also, we can use this to email files one by one, or transform the files, or update Excel files. The possibilities are limitless. That was a very short video. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.